If you are making YouTube videos, the most important thing is how to catch the attention of people who are scrolling by millions of videos, really, and there's nothing more at the forefront than your YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnails and titles will quickly determine if someone is going to click on the video or not, and it's usually in that order. Something is going to catch your eye, you're going to look at the thumbnail, then you're going to read the title, and then decide if you want to watch the video or not. Anyways, if you make gaming-ish related videos, I actually made a thumbnail for you, and I'm going to make it available, of course, for free. Let me show you. Step 1, like the video and subscribe to the channel. You're gonna have some questions about how to create content in the future, and I'm gonna have the answers right on this channel. So subscribe so you don't miss out. Step 2, go to photopea.com, or Photopea, I like pronouncing it, Photopea. So photopea.com, and you're gonna click on PSD templates. That's right, we're not creating anything from scratch here. We're just gonna open up a template that your boy created. You're gonna go to the top here, go click on the search bar, and type my name. And you're gonna see my most recent work is this one. There's already 4 people. I just made that like 3 hours. Okay, whatever. Click on it and then click again to open it. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually customize, because there isn't a lot of elements. There's a blurry background, there's some particles, there's a character, and then there's the text. So for the text, you're going to see a green colored folder here that you can expand, and then double click on the T to change the text. The text. What's going on with me? And this is mostly for gaming types of videos, when you want to teach people how to play this specific character, or if it's just highlights of your gameplay, you're gonna put your main character in there. Type how to play and then character name. So from there, you're gonna select the top text. You're gonna click on your character menu here, right? If you don't see this, you can go to window and character, it's gonna appear, and you're gonna change the color by clicking on the color box here, and you're gonna put the top one to white or whatever color you want, really, but this is designed to look like this, right? And then on the size, you're gonna click on the word size and you're gonna drag down a little bit until it kind of fits the whole thing. There you go. You're not supposed to put a whole paragraph in there, and then just click away and boom, you have that. Now let's say you want to change the character. You're gonna see character image is red. Okay, you can turn it off, turn it on. I'm gonna expand this folder. I'm gonna turn off this character, and let's say that I want to add anything else. So I would go to Google Images and I would find my character with a transparent background. I guess a popular game right now is kind of like Valorant, and as you can see, this has a transparent background. I wonder if I can right click copy and then Control V here. I can. This is Photopea, by the way. This is literally Photoshop but free. Control Alt T to transform, and then just size it up. As you can see, there's gonna be a little bit of particles on top of the character. I designed it that way. As long as you stay within the boundaries, it's gonna be fine. Now, for example, this character more has like an orange feel to it, right? I'm gonna show you how to change. For the text, you know how to change the color. I just showed you, okay? Double click on the T and then select character. I don't know what character that is. It doesn't tell me. And we would go with like an orange-ish, right? Click OK. And then for the rest, we're gonna have, let me show you exactly what we have. We're gonna have some particles on top of the character, some particles behind, and then some particles on the right side. So extra particles is what's on the right side here. I can press Control U while I have it selected, Control U, and that's gonna give me access to the hue and saturation. And I'm gonna drag this until this looks kind of orangish. Click OK. And I'm gonna go find particles front. Okay, that's in a group, expand that, click on the particles itself right there. Same thing, Control U until it's orangish, click OK, and then particles back, same thing, click on it. Actually, there's a whole hue and saturation thing here, but it doesn't matter. Control U, make it so that it looks kind of orangish. Boom, that easy. And we have a whole new template for a brand new video, different from when we started. And that's it. From there, you just click File, export as PNG. Here you can set the size, the quality. You want to take a look at the bottom here. For example, 3 megabytes, that's not gonna fly as a thumbnail, so you can lower the quality a little bit. It's not a huge issue. And as you can see, boom, we can save our 1080p thing wherever we want as a PNG file. And there we go, I can open it, and here we have it. That easy. Modify the text a little bit, switch out the character if you want, switch out the colors, and boom. So that's it. Go to photopea.com, go to PSD templates, type my name, and then use whatever you see there. It's all free. But if you're looking for overlays and stuff like that for your Twitch channel, go to gumroad.com/getlevel. I have a bunch of them. Most of them are free, and the rest is super duper affordable. That's it. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. Get level out.